Hello guys, we traveled all the way from Accra to Togo, Lomé, specifically Agbavi village, for a kitchen installation. The moment we arrived, we checked our materials and tools to see if everything is intact. Yeah, this is the next day. We did the grooving and we boxed the cabinet, and that's me checking the level of the cabinet. Fast forward, the base cabinet was ready, so we started fixing the wall cabinet. After that, I quickly started fixing the drawer face to complete the drawer. And note, this is one of the best drawers in town. This is the Bloom Merivo box. Yeah, it is the best in town. So if this is the first time watching our video, this is Kenrico Crafts, specialized in kitchen cabinet and wardrobe installation. So when it comes to your wardrobe and your kitchen cabinet, we will always provide you the best quality materials and accessories. So as you can see, we are almost done with 80% of this kitchen. And the distance between Accra to Agbavi village is almost 265 kilometers. So some of the doors were very dirty. We took our time to clean them very well. That's Magma in the blue shirt. He's our site former. And he is now working on the microwave. Yeah guys, this is the opposite side of the kitchen. So we have the fridge cabinet and a pull-out basket. You'll see that in a minute. So if you are still here watching this video, that means you have an interest in what we do. So you can like, subscribe, And if you have any suggestion or any question for us, you can leave it in the comment section. So if you were paying close attention, you realize the bin connection was on the right, but it has been moved to the left. It is because the sink connection is on the right, so we moved it to the left so that the connection will have a lot of space. And this is the fridge top cabinet and the pull-out basket. You love it, right? You can also reach us on IG X at Kenrico Crafts.